Numpy is also provide the many functions to create the arrays. So if you want to create the arrays, so we have some other functions like we, in case of mathematics, so we have already knows about the what in by identity matrix. Okay, so like this we can create in by using the numpy. Okay, now let's see how we can create the by using the numpy. So rank 2 array we have created just. Okay, so we have the arr, suppose arr we have, and that is np dot, we have the function that is name with a 0. Okay, so what is the function name? My function name is 0. In function 0 we are going to pass that is 2 comma 2. Okay, so what it will do, it will create a 2 by 2 matrix having a 2 rows 2 column, but having a values only a 0. Okay, and we are putting the arr. So now let's see. Again it is having some error, Python line number 2. Okay, zeros is it is not a 0, zeros. Okay, so now let's print this is 0 matrix is there. Okay, so means if we are mentioning that is 2 by 2 is there. Okay, so it will create a 2 by 2 matrix, means rank 2 array it is created and having a value zeros. Okay, so by using the 0 functions we can create this type of matrix. Okay, similarly if you want one matrix, so we have the ones. Okay, we have what is the function name, that is ones function here. So by using a ones function, okay, it will create a matrix by 2 by 2, so it will be created once. Okay, now don't feel that there is a 3 2 or 4 function. Okay, so 0 and 1 function is there only. I want to create rank 2 array, means 2-dimensional array I want to create, and having a value suppose 5. Okay, I want to create 2-dimensional array or rank 2 array, we can say having a value 9. So how we can create? So we have a function that is full. Okay, what is my function name? My function name is full. Okay, so in full function, suppose 2 by 2 matrix I am going to create. Okay, this is my 2 by 2 matrix and comma we are passing that is 5. Okay, so what it will do, 2 by 2 matrix will be created having a value only 5. Okay, now let's see. 2 by 2 matrix is created, okay, and having a value 5. Suppose I am updating this with 9. Okay, so what it will do, 2 by 2 matrix is created having a value 9. Okay, of course you can change here matrix 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, so you can create a 3 by 2 matrix. What is meant by identity matrix? Okay, so identity matrix means like 1 0 0 1 like this. Okay, suppose I want to create a 2 by 2 matrix which is an identity matrix. Okay, so how we can create the identity matrix? So for creating identity matrix we have a I function, EYEI function. So use EYEI function. By using EYE function we can create the matrix. Okay, so here we have to pass the only dimension, so no need to mention that is 2 by 2, that is we have to simply pass that is 2. So 2 means what? 2 means here 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so now let me print that is 2 by 2, this is identity matrix we are going to print. Okay, I want to create a such array. Suppose I want to create a 2-dimensional array like rank 2 array I want to create. Okay, but having some random values, so we have a function that is random function. Okay, so random is having a function that is a random function. So random call, and what we are passing here, that is suppose 2 by 2 we are passing. Okay, what I am passing here, that is 2 by 2. So when I am passing here 2 by 2, so what it will do, it will create a 2 by 2 matrix having some random number, and that random number will be 0 2 less than 1. Okay, so now let's check which matrix is going to create. It is creating the array by 2 by 2 and having some random values. Okay, so you can create the array like this. So we have used some functions for numpy, so which is very useful for the learning the machine learning.